Hello everyone, welcome to my video. In this video, I will be presenting a product called Sentinel Biological Solution that acts as an environmental solution for your wastewater treatment plant. This video is targeted to the industries that have their own wastewater treatment, such as food industries and palm oil refineries. For other viewers, do not leave just yet, as this is also an educational video and you will learn something after watching this. Stay tuned, relax, and enjoy the slides. A brief history of wastewater treatment. Human civilization has been treating waste as early as the Indus civilization. Still, there was some sort of sewage system that even the Roman people built too. In this picture, the Indus civilization drainage and sewage system was constructed in Harappa, and the Cloaca Maxima is one of the oldest existing monuments of Roman engineering. But back then, it was just some place to store waste, so that people can smell or see it, or just to avoid flood during raining season. After a while, humans start to dilute the waste to prevent pollution. This is the wrong way of doing it, because of the population that's getting bigger, and also the number of waste will grow bigger too. No amount of water is great enough to dilute everything. So when London was facing the cholera outbreak in the 19th century, they realized a more method of wastewater treatment is needed before releasing the waste to the water body. This step was visualized in the building of the centralized sewage system in 19th century London in this third picture here. After a while, the rest of the world also followed London's footsteps in building a better sewage treatment system. Chemical wastewater treatment. What is the origin of this chemical wastewater treatment? In my opinion, ever since Haber created the Haber process, everything was chemical, including the wastewater treatment. For long years, humans has been using chemicals to solve their problems. They have been using chemical in food and also in every product, and also they have been using chemical for fertilization and also for weapons in the World War II. Some processes that include chemical precipitation, ion exchange, neutralization, absorption, and disinfection. Some of the effects of the chemical wastewater treatment are destruction of water ecosystem, high acidic value of soil, water pollution, and human casualties. All of these effects will cause harm to ourselves and our planet. So, after seeing also all of those chemical effects, I would like to introduce Sentinel Biological Solution as microbes to you guys. This is when the new age of bio-friendly solution is introduced. In the year of 2020 and forward, mankind want to save their planet. They want a greener and cleaner alternative to fight the self-destruct chemicals that have been used for the past few years. Production of handling of lesson sludge, that is the dream. 100% natural, non-toxic, and free of harmful chemicals. Microbes can be used to stabilize plant activities and enhance them. It can also be used to digest difficult toxic compounds with naturally occurring bacteria. Sentinel Biological Solution. Now, Sentinel works great in all of the wastewater discharge methods, such as the wastewater treatment plant, sewage treatment plant, septic tank, activated sludge tanks or lagoons, and even in palm oil mill effluents. Microbe in wastewater treatment plant. How do microbes work in the wastewater actually? From their long slumbers, we woke them up, prepare them for a feast, and after they eat, they will live out the remaining of their life alongside their friends until they die happily with a smile and a belly full of food. Now, microbe works as a living thing just like us. To activate the microbes, we have to wake them up with the introduction of oxygen. By stirring or bubbling the sludge, we introduce oxygen into the system. This can be achieved by using bubble disc diffuser or surface aerator. After encouraging the microbes, we will begin actively grow and reproduce them, while discouraging the growth of other kind of microbes. The microbe in the sludge digest the organic material around them in order to reproduce and grow, and change the chemical makeup of sludge, oxidizing ammonia into nitrate and nitrite in a process called nitrification. The role that we play in this process is trying our best to keep the microbes on track. This involves taking sample of the sludge to track its progress and also to count any parameters that we need to highlight to see the performance of the microbes. By the end of the process, a mature food chain of microbes capable of transforming the sludge biochemically emerge. Now, after all of the slides, let's take a look at one of our previous customers, Virgin Cocoa. This is a coconut milk cookie making factory in Thailand. As you can see from the visual aids, we have managed to drop the BOD more than 99% within the discharge parameter permit in just over 4 months. This factory is using the treatment with a limited budget in over 4 months, and we help them to reduce BOD from 3,824 until 14 in just 16 weeks. COD dropped into almost 98% in 16 weeks, and also for everything else. As for TSS, we managed to reduce from 793 to 29. This will help in all factories to handle sludge more effectively and less cost, because TSS will produce suspended solid and also will create more sludge. We also have other response, and also we have a lot of other customers too, but we keep their record confidentially, and we only share if they give us the authority to do so. So do not be afraid to share your data with us, and we will keep it just between the two of us. But if our product works, we would truly be delighted if you guys can be one of our testimony customer like Virgin Cocoa and share your result. Now this is the last slide of my presentation. Sentinel biological solution can also be used for landfill management. It can eliminate the odor given by the landfill and also the rubbish inside of the landfill. And as for number 2, this is what I have been talking about in this presentation. And for 3, aquaculture supplement, and also number 4, land remediation. We from CEMAX engineering, we will help you in any sort of kind. To be more specific, the next slide will be a question that you can answer in need that we can help you guys in the future if you think that you want to improve your wastewater treatment. Before I end this video, I would like you guys to know that I am here to help. So let us help you. Me and my team at CEMAX Engineering, we will do anything in our power to improve your wastewater treatment in terms of cost, in terms of parameters, in terms of sludge, in terms of polymer reduction. All that we need is the sequence of your wastewater treatment system, the volume of your each tank involved in treatment, your daily flow rate, and if you're willing to share the pre and post treatment data. We will try our best to present a proposal to overcome your problem. And that is all. Thank you for listening. You can email to me your data, and also if you have any inquiry, my email will be inside the description and also my contact number. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching.